Agents have had a lot of phone calls recently from mad clients finding out that their Medicare Part D plan, their standalone drug plan, has been terminated. And a lot of times the agents are going, that can't be right. That can't be right. Well, it is right for over 100,000 members because WellCare historically was $0 monthly premium. They went to a premium in not all, but most areas starting January 1st of 2026. And sometimes it just went up to from $0 to $3, $0 to $4, $6, $7. Not very much, still a very negligible premium. But under Medicare rules, if you do not pay your premium, they can terminate you. So WellCare said, we tried to contact everyone that had not made provisions to pay their premium. We contacted them by phone. People don't answer their phone, right? People do, they screen all their calls. Even if it looks like it's from a legitimate source, we still think that it's probably a scam. So people don't answer their phone. And then they also followed up by mailing them letters. Again, so many of the letters have been styled to look like they're from the government. Important information, open now, that people have become immune to letters and they assume they're all solicitations, they're all scams. So the people that ignored the calls and the letters have no recourse. They can't say, well, I wasn't contacted, because the insurance company will have proof you've been attempted to be contacted many times in many different manners. So it's your fault. So, okay, I didn't read my mail. I didn't answer the phone. How do I get it back since I only owe them $4 times 3 months, $12? Okay, so I'll give them the $12. How do I do this? It's too late. You're terminated. You'll have to wait until the next annual election period this fall to enroll in a new plan that won't start until January 1st of 2026. So we have 100,000 people or more that will go for the next 6 months without drug coverage. And you as an agent might say, isn't there some type of a special election period for this? No. Now, there might be another special election period that your client is eligible for, but this in itself is, there's no way to get this reinstated. It's a done deal. Once they got the termination letter, it's over. So this is something I want you to put in the back of your head going forward. I really don't think we're going to see zero premium drug plans on the market. If we do, they'll be few and far between, but who knows? They have not released that yet for 2027. I think it's going to be rare. So if you would see zero premium plans, I want you to make sure to counsel your clients to enroll in automatic payment through Social Security. And they will say, well, that doesn't make sense. There's no payment right now. But if you're signed up so it automatically comes out of Social Security later when you're not paying attention, when it will go to a premium, you'll be covered because you've already authorized them to draw it directly out of your Social Security. So think ahead. If we do have zero premiums in the future, that's something that you want to be pushing out to your clients in your social media, in your videos, in your newsletters, in your face-to-face or recorded conversations with your Part D clients. The bad news is you're going to get those clients that are going to call and say, what do I do now? You know what to do now. Drug discount cards, Mark Cuban's low-cost pharmacy, Amazon pharmacy, going to Canada, going to Mexico if you're close to the borders, using GoodRx and other discount cards. They're out of luck as far as getting their Part D reinstated unless they have something special that happens. So some people could actually move. They could intentionally move out of state to trigger this SEP because they have to have their drug plan. Most people aren't going to go to that extreme, and you will just have to tell them the next 6 months you're on your own. Hate to give you bad news. I'm sure you hate to give it to your clients too, but that's what we're here for. If you learned something, show us some YouTube love, give us a follow, share the video with another agent that will need to know this as well. If you have any more questions about this topic, ask me in the comments below. Thanks for watching.